Hello, I'm coming to do this vlog. It would not be like a long vlog. I wanna first than anything say thank you for everybody that sent good wishes and prayers. I'm feeling better. I'm still in pain. No, something really extreme like it was yesterday. I am able to walk and see. Yesterday was not that fun, but I will take it easy anyway, and I will just share some things. I got this box today, and for somebody that really noticed, yeah, I made a mistake. Yesterday was 16, today is 17. I think my head was not in the right place. Anyway, so I found this waiting for me. It's my self-help game. I will open with you. And we will do, let's do something. Oh God, can I will do like, I will not look, I will not sneak. I will put my hand, I feel the paper. What I will take first, I feel like, ooh, this is like a fat quarter. We haven't had 4 fat quarters in London. Oh, it's so cute. This is a really cute fat quarter. Maybe I can do something Christmassy. It's a really nice one. I like that. I wonder if we got more than one. Are we going back to the fat quarters? Or is just random? Okay. The paper is in the middle. Let me try to open because I can feel that. Okay. I feel, what is this? It's like a paper thing. Oh, I think it's the magazine I'm taking. It's the magazine. We will look at this later. But I think I saw this. What is this? I'm guessing we got this like bias or something. It's so cute. It's like a silver shimmery. Very cute. Very, very nice. Very shimmery. What is the theme? All that jazz. Okay. Next one. I think this is the fabric. Oh. What is this? It's like a tool? Oh yeah. It's like a tool. You see that? It's so pretty. I don't know what I will do with this, but it's very pretty. I like it. One more. What else we have here? Oops. A hard chocolate. I'm guessing I have 2. Usually they put 2. I'm trying. Testing. Okay, I cannot find another one, but I found, ooh, the thread is light blue. What we got? Do I have anything else? Okay, I think that is all. I think that is, oh, wait. Oh, it's a sticker, so sparkly. Interesting. It will go in one of my planners, maybe in my sewing planner. Cute. Okay. I think that is all. And there is the fabric. Oops. There is the other chocolate. Let's see the fabric. Oh, I don't know if you can see the shimmer. Let me see. Can you see the shimmer of the fabric? Ooh. What is this? It's very soft, very, very soft. Is this viscose? Okay, let's see. What we got today, 2.5 meters of viscose, is this one. 1 meter of sequins, this one. 100 meters of Gutermann thread. Liz Harry stickers, this one. Silver ribbon is this one. It's a cute one. I can use for this. Oh, that would be nice. Magazine and chocolate hearts. Vegetarian. It doesn't say anything about the fat quarters. Maybe it's an extra. That's nice. Very nice. Now I'm curious what they did with these ones. Let's find out. Let's go closer. So what do we have in this magazine? Spotlight X Harry is the person that did the stickers. Oh, that's good. Here, interview with Caroline Beacherson. Nice. Here we have 222 photo reviews, and then she has some dresses. Very nice with this, all of the magazines, and this box was really nice too. This one was, I don't remember this one. It was very nice. Okay, I'm trying to find Three Fabrics, Three Makes. This must be the, I'm not sure what this one. I think this is maybe in another color. Oh, here we have, she did this blouse. I don't know if I want this blouse with this. It looks so fancy. Ooh, she used these for the sleeves on one of the blouses. That's cute. Good option. I like that. So we will see what I will do. Oh, but this looks more like a nice dress, and the ribbon can be part of that. We will think about that. Okay, I will go to look for some food, and I will back in few and keep showing the things. Right now I need to sit, and I will work like until an hour ago, so I need to relax. God, this is so cute. I will have to think what I should do. I'll be back. Well, I finished eating one of the chocolates, but now I'm going to take a shower. Oh my gosh, I really want to do something Christmassy with this. I will think what I will do. Maybe like a doll or something like that. I don't know. And of course I have blues, but I don't think I have this one. Oh, it's so close. What number is? This is 215 and this is 143. Okay, it's not the same. It's amazing that my collection of threads has grown so much, but I will not deny some of them I got like a package that comes different colors because I was needing for projects, and well, I keep moving and organizing by color, but I keep messing. This actually was a present that gave me Tina, my friend. She got from a garage sale, and it's missing two little of those dolls, and it really drives me crazy. And I don't know if it's cheaper to buy a new one of these or just try to repair that. We will see. Okay, I better go to take my shower. I need to take my shower and maybe take one of these. Yeah, that would be good. I'll be back. I was thinking I want to share what I do on my daily planner. I don't go and write every day, but when something happens, like I received this magazine, I use what I get just as part of my memory keeping, you know. And it doesn't have to be exactly how it is. I just like to keep the memories, and like the name of these. This was the number 73. I like this part that has a little of the blink. As you see, I'm not making something perfect. And also, there is a description of my box, the kind of box I got. That is the classic box, so we'll take that one too. Okay. And then I just think the way, or play the way that I would put this together. Okay, so I got all these little details that I can put together, playing with how they look. And I will put in that way. Or I can just move also other ways, like having, I know that it's a holiday, so I can put there. See, some anyway, but I think I will go this like that. I think I will do that. So I just move a little there. There, that's kind of a resume of what it was, the box. And now I will write, what is this? Okay, and there is my entry for today. I don't need to talk about anything else, and that makes my date for my entry. I don't know, as you can see, sometimes I have a complete page with one entry, sometimes I have, this was like half page, and then this took part of the other. This was a complete half page, and in this I have 2 days there. I better go and take a pill for my painkiller, and I think I will be going to bed. And I'm sorry that it's going to be another kind of short video, but I want to be good. I don't want to get in pain. And tomorrow is Wednesday, that is like my Friday, so we can continue having fun tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and I see you tomorrow. Good night.